Hello Libra, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. Libra, this is your reading for the mid of April and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. In this reading, Libra, we'll see what are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know. Okay? I'm shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down and then we'll see what you need to know, Libra. Let's see what you need to know. Libra, let's see what you need to know. Libra, let's see what you need to know. Libra, let's see what you need to know. Let's see what you need to know, Libra. Let's see what you need to know. What exactly you need to know, Libra. Ooh, one card has jumped out. Six of Swords. What are you walking away from, Libra? You're walking away from something. Ace of Pentacles. Then we have. I think so. You're walking towards a new opportunity, but you're also walking away from something. Uh, yeah. For some of you, there is a love offer that is coming towards you, and maybe you're walking away because you have already made a decision. That's what I'm getting. Whatever you are trying to leave, you're leaving that because you've made a decision, and someone is not liking this fact that you have made the decision on your own. Someone was expecting you to consult them, someone was expecting you to come towards them for suggestions and recommendations, and this person wanted to be a part of your decision making process, but you ended up taking decision on your own and you have decided to move in a certain direction which this person is not appreciating. Okay, at the same time I feel like there is someone from the past who is coming towards you with an apology. There is, for some of you, there is a new person as well that is coming towards you. Some of you might have option between the past and the new. Okay, but I do feel like for many of you love is important, uh, but there is a certain opportunity that has come towards you which is attracting your attention more, and you're trying to prioritize this opportunity more over and above love. That's what I'm feeling. And maybe the person who is pissed off is your romantic partner or someone who was planning to come towards you with an offer of love. Okay, maybe this person thought that you have an idea that they are in love with you and they will come towards you with some sort of an offer, but you did not wait for their offer. You decided to move, and somebody is pissed off regarding that. But you are like, I am doing as per my inner calling. I am committed towards some sort of an opportunity that has come towards me. Now, this opportunity, okay, let's see what this opportunity is all about. Yeah, this opportunity kind of looks related to your career. Okay, some of you probably might have had options. Okay, but you chose this one specific opportunity because you're feeling like it's going to give you a lot of growth. Okay, yeah, it's going to change a lot of things in your existing scenario. Maybe in your existing career you felt, or in the existing situation in your career, you felt a lot of stagnancy. You probably also felt a lot of boredom. You're feeling like you're doing same things again and again, and there is no creativity at all. And with the death and rebirth, I do feel like there is a very strong possibility that you're looking for something that is exciting, and to have that excitement, it's necessary for you to make some major changes in your career. So maybe for some of you there is a major change in your career that you're doing. You're changing careers, you're putting an end to one career and you're beginning something new. You're putting an end to 9 to 5 situation and getting into entrepreneurship. There is a major change that is indicated in your career in the next upcoming days, and someone is pissed off that you did not consult them. For some of you, relocation is a very strong possibility. You're relocating because you're pursuing some career related opportunities. There is a certain risk that is involved. Love is happening, by the way. Love is coming your way. Someone is manifesting you. Someone is happy when they think about you. And even if you're going at a distance from them, they're ready and willing to work out this as a long distance connection. Someone is ready to put in the necessary efforts. For some of you Libra, The person from whom you walked away is trying to come back with a very solid offer, because this person wants to stop you. Okay, this person wants to stop you. This person doesn't want you to move away from them. They are coming towards you, and somehow I do feel like there are a lot of people who are keeping tabs on you. There are a lot of energies over here, Libra, to be very honest. There is an energy of the past person, there is an energy of a new person. Then I do feel like there is someone who is pissed off, who might be a romantic interest, past or new, or it can also be someone within the family or the friend circle, like, why didn't you consult us, and you should have consulted us, and this and that. Maybe for some of you, someone from the office or your workplace is slightly pissed off, like, you are taking decisions on your own and you should have consulted, and etc. So somebody had expectations from you, but they are pissed off that you did not come towards them and did not fulfill their expectations. Okay, the love is happening. Somehow I feel like your money situation and your love situation is interconnected, or your career situation and your love situation is interconnected. The more stable and successful, see, definition of success is very subjective. It differs from person to person. Your definition of success might be different from what other 10 people have their definition of success. Okay, so definition of success is very subjective. It changes from person to person. So, as per your understanding, when you will be successful in your career and in your monetary situation, exactly at that point of time, you will attract the right kind of a love. And I do feel like that kind of love is not far away. Okay, so you are attracting a lot of success. I also see like there are many people that are getting attracted towards you. You're attracting a lot of romantic interest as well. Love and romance and career is a top priority for you. If I have to put it in a sequence, I do feel like career, then love, money. This is the sequence. These are the priorities for you. That's what I feel. Someone from the past is trying to come back. Someone who was in and out of your life. Someone who was ghosting you all the time. Someone who was not sincere in their intentions is trying to come back. Nine of Pentacles. This person doesn't want you to remain single. For some of you, you're probably enjoying a lot of monetary abundance. You're also completing cycles where you experienced money struggle. Okay, Nine of Pentacles. Nine is a number which indicates you're completing certain cycles. You're like you're getting out of a cycle where there was a lot of monetary struggle, and you're entering into a cycle where there will be a lot of monetary abundance. The death and rebirth card is also indicating major changes in your money and in your career situation, positive changes. Okay, so continue doing whatever you're doing. It is also quite possible that you're becoming a stronger version of yourself, and whatever you're trying to do, you're becoming a more respected and uh, appreciated person in that field. Okay, more love, respect, admiration, name, fame, reputation is coming. All right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Libra, take care, have a great time, and bye bye. This is your spread. Okay.